SMH can now supply over 20 brands of remanufactured industrial engines covering more than 100 different engine variations for LP, gasoline, and diesel. Many popular models are in stock and ready for same-day shipping. SMH offers industry-leading packaging, providing safe and efficient engine transportation. Our customer-friendly freight options make it easy for you to return the engine core and provide competitive freight rates. ASE certified master technicians perform all work to OEM specifications. Cylinder blocks are bored and honed to new piston size. Engine blocks and cylinder heads are resurfaced and assembled using either Fel-Pro or OEM head gaskets depending on the engine model. All connecting rods are resized on the big end. Clearances are measured and calculated, which provides the actual clearance. Plastigauge is not used. Engines are tested after final assembly. Each engine comes with documentation providing compression, oil pressure, and confirmation of all engine vital signs. Engines carry a 1-year, 1,500-hour warranty with 90 days on leaks. Coupled with outstanding customer service, we believe you will find a Total Source remanufactured engine to be the best value package in the industry. Let SMH be your source the next time you need a remanufactured engine. For more information, consult the Total Source Master Catalog or log on to www.ehrmann.com.